We got a lot of errands, chores to do today. We have to go grocery shopping. We have to get toilet paper, paper towels. We got to get all kinds of stuff. We also have to get rid of a lot of junk. I mean, I feel like we're downsizing, like we're getting a new RV, but we're not right now, at least. But we need to get rid of a bunch of stuff over here. It's a bunch of the kids' toys, clothes, things that don't fit anymore. So we're gonna make a stop to Goodwill, and then I think we're gonna go to BJ's, show you what it's like to be able to shop at like a big store like that, even when you live in an RV. But we're gonna bring you along with just a normal, typical Saturday looks like living full time in an RV. We got Popo driving around the campground, so obviously we're gonna go follow them first, see what they got going on. But this is bag number 1. Sit you down here. That's bag number 1. Let me go get bag number 2. All right, this is bag number 2. Put it in there. All right, we're good to go. All right, I gotta go tell Amanda that Popo's rolling around. We gotta go see what's going on. We got Popo driving around, so we're gonna go. You wanna go follow Popo at the trailer park? I do. Let's go. Let's go find him. All right, as I was going around checking for the cops, one of them just like took off flying out of the campground with his lights on. So I don't know. I don't think they were there for anything serious, because then maybe something serious happened and then he rolled out. But anyway, we just dropped stuff off at Goodwill. Now we have to go to, I don't know, dollar store first too. Who knows what we need there, but you can always use stuff at dollar store. But I see a bunch of stores here, so I'm sure Amanda is going to be going into a whole bunch of places here. All right, who are we picking out things for each other? You're getting a Valentine's thing for mommy and something for sissy, okay? It's candy. They're all different candies with different characters on them. You can get one of those, but we have to figure out which character.
Animal Crossing something.
Yeah, they're not going to have that here. We don't need a stuffy. Here, come down, come this way, come this way.
I think probably like an Animal Crossing bag.
Yeah, they're not going to have that here. Oh, it's crowded in that area, so we'll go down this one. That's St. Patrick's Day stuff.
We already have a sewing kit.
Yeah, I don't know if mommy wanted to do here, you could do a Valentine's Day arts and craft thing.
Pick out one.
Yeah. Yeah, you can do a craft like this one. Like you can paint. Like this one's a unicorn that you can paint, like a bear.
Yes. Oh, look.
That's what you want to make. Okay. No, we're not getting that. This isn't Valentine's Day stuff. This is Easter stuff. This is all the Valentine's Day candy stuff.
How about we mail this to Nan?
No, Valentine's Day will be over by the time she gets it. So Valentine's Day is in a couple days. Look, there's something over here. Look, the Valentine's Day chocolates. There's a pugs and kisses instead of hugs and kisses. And this one says I woof you instead of I love you.
No. Can I just get a little treat for myself?
Nope. Maybe Sissy will pick that out for you. Alright, we finished at the dollar store, but that's why I hate going in the dollar store. It's just, there's so many people in there, it's so crowded, the aisles are tight. So now my day's ruined. I'm hangry, but Amanda's got me going into another store before she fed me. So that means we're going to be in here very quick.
Just the beginning of lunchtime, and you didn't kill
Doesn't. Yeah, it doesn't matter. I'm starving. So let's have fun in BJ's.
Actually, $55.
We are typically Sam's Club people. Well, I'm a Sam's Club person. Amanda likes Costco, even though we don't have a Costco membership. But Amanda convinced me a while back to get a BJ's membership too. So normally we're in Sam's Club, so we don't normally come to BJ's. This is Amanda's first time here in probably 15 years. So she's just wandering around aimlessly looking at things we don't need and won't buy, but she's enjoying it. And I'm here for the necessities, which I am not impressed by this place. I prefer my Sam's Club. Alright, I need my energy. So typically I like local coffee, but sometimes I like to just buy the cheap stuff just to always have it on hand. So it looks like we are going with a Maxwell House. That's what we're going with this time around. Of course, Amanda's in like a clothing section. Alright, next I am looking for just toilet paper. RV toilet paper is a scam, so we don't buy RV toilet paper. We buy just regular toilet paper, usually in bulk. Something like this. What do we got here? 30 mega rolls, $16.99. What else do we have here? And those. Typically at Sam's Club I buy like a huge case. It's like commercial toilet paper. It's like, I don't know, 48 packs or something for like 20 bucks. I don't see something like that here, at least not yet. Nope, don't see that. So looks like we're going with the one that's over there.
Oh, that's the tomato. She's shoveling the toilet paper. Oh no, that's baby cookie. Oh, what's the no, right there.
We always need juice. Always juice in the house at all times. Alright, Apple and Eve. 36, 6 3/4 ounce. And this is 32 for $11.99. That's 36 for 50 cents cheaper. So, okay. You don't need more? Okay. Amanda says we don't need more.
At least 16 down in the cut.
Alright. Amanda says we don't need more, so we're not getting more. She runs the ship.
Wasn't any cheaper than.
When you don't make your own sourdough at home, this is what you do. You buy. February 18th?
Yeah.
It's 11 days. We'll eat 2 loaves of bread in that short amount of time. It's not. I'm gonna move out of the way. All right, $100 later and barely anything in the cart. We're leaving BJ's. Now maybe I'll get some lunch.
You can eat this rotisserie chicken.
No, that's not happening.